Hi guys, welcome back to the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create poster in Canva. So here I've already opened Canva on my PC, and then if you want to create a poster, the easiest way is to use the template provided by Canva. So just go to the search bar here and then click on poster, keyword poster like this, and then enter. And then, or you can also search for specific category like movie poster, event poster, or school poster, but I'm going to go to general first like this and wait for the result to come out like this. And then you can just search for the template that you think is probably fits your needs the most. For example, you want to probably create a poster of an event. Okay, let's find it. For example, probably like this: music festival, the best fest this summer. You want to create maybe an event for a music concert or like that. Just use this template, but you can change its information. For example, live music, the best music for your ears. Maybe you can also change the address like this, and also the details of the event, probably the dress code or etc. Or you can also add some details like elements concert. Okay, some details like this. I'm going to delete this and probably like this. And then you can also add another text: tickets available in www.miniconcert.com, like that, and then place it here. Okay, when you're done, you can just print the poster, or you want to download it first, you can also download and choose the format or the file type and click on download like this. Or you can also share the link in to your friends or colleagues, copy link and then share it. Okay, so that's it. You can that's it from me. That is how you can create a poster in Canva. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.